So welcome. My name is Nasir Mannan. I'm the principal engineer for the Advanced Design Automation Metrology Lab here at CCAT. I'd like to thank you for attending today's event that is focused on the applications of artificial intelligence for smart manufacturing. We've lined up the day in three parts. The first being introductions and importance of the subject matter, along with example applications. In the second part, you'll hear from technology partners on AI embedded technologies that exist today and their benefits to manufacturing. And in the third part, you'll hear from our academic and industry partners on current developments in the field of AI and smart manufacturing and what's just over the horizon. I'll also talk about a new resource CCAT is developing here at the Advanced Technology Center for manufacturing companies. Sure. So before getting into the subject as it relates to manufacturing, let's first explore what is artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that aims to create machines and software systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. This includes capabilities such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, understanding natural language, adapting to new situations. AI systems can be designed to perform a specific task, like recognizing objects in an image or multiple tasks simultaneously. The ultimate goal of AI research is to develop machines capable of simulating the full range of human intelligence. This is also known as artificial general intelligence. So AI works by using various techniques and algorithms to simulate human-like intelligence. As I mentioned, the core principles is to mimic how humans learn, reason, and solve problems. This slide presents an overview of some fundamental approaches used in AI systems. Natural language processing focuses on enabling AI systems. Sorry about that. I'm getting a feedback. Yeah, I'm hearing it coming up. Sure. Sorry, I apologize. There's a feedback on the microphone. So natural language processing focuses on enabling AI systems to understand, interpret, and generate human language. This involves tasks like sentiment analysis, machine translation, and chatbot development. Expert systems are AI programs that mimic the decision-making abilities of humans expert in a particular domain. These systems rely on a set of rules and a knowledge base to solve problems, provide recommendations, or make decisions based on specific criteria. Machine learning is a subfield of AI that involves training computer systems to learn from data and adapt their performance without explicit programming. This is achieved through algorithms that identify patterns in the data, allowing the AI system to make predictions or decisions. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that specifically uses deep neural networks with many layers. It is especially effective at processing large amounts of data, such as recognizing objects in images or understanding human speech. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where an AI agent learns by interacting with this environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. This method is used for applications such as training robots. Evolutionary algorithms, these are optimization techniques inspired by the process of natural selection, where AI systems evolve their solutions over time through a process of trial and error. Evolutionary algorithms are used in applications like optimization problems. AI utilizes these approaches and techniques in various combinations to simulate human intelligence. The complexity and function of AI systems significantly depend on the specific application and the state of the technology. So let's look at the approach neural networks take for simulating intelligence, which are loosely modeled after the structure and function of the human brain. Human neurons and artificial neural networks are interconnected in the sense that artificial neural networks were inspired by and modeled after the biological neural networks found in the human brain. However, they operate in different principles, and their similarities are more conceptual than direct parallels. Human neurons are the primary cells in the human nervous system that transfer and process information using electrical and chemical signals. They are connected through synapses, which allow them to transmit signals to other neurons. The human brain has around 86 billion neurons, and the way these neurons connect and communicate with one another allows for complex information processing and cognition. Artificial neural networks, or ANNs, in AI are computational models that take inspiration from human neurons, but aren't exactly replicas of biological neural networks. ANNs consist of artificial neurons or nodes organized into layers. These nodes process inputs and transmit information through weighted connections, somewhat analogous to synapses. The weights of the connections are learned or adjusted during the training process to find patterns in data and make predictions or classifications. This video demonstrates a neural network at work where it processes images of handwritten digits as inputs. Successive layers in the neural network take these inputs, which are weighted sums of outputs from neurons in the previous layer. An activation function is then applied to this sum, determining if the neuron passes its output to the next layer. The behavior of the activation function is tuned during the training process. Once the system is trained, it can accurately predict the drawn number in the image at the output layer. So human intuition and experience, combining AI with human intelligence leverages the power of human intuition, creativity, and years of experience in the manufacturing domain, which can lead to innovation and solutions that AI algorithms alone may not easily discover. This leads to more dynamic and adaptive production environment. Generally, by augmenting artificial intelligence with human intelligence through the use of AI-embedded technologies, we can truly benefit from enhanced decision-making, increased efficiency, and an improved ability to solve complex problems while reducing error. So specifically, in applications to manufacturing, companies are currently benefiting from AI-enhanced technologies that enable smart manufacturing. The term smart manufacturing constitutes advanced manufacturing systems that utilize data-driven and intelligent automation to operate more efficiently, accurately, and flexibly. It involves the integration of physical and cyber systems to monitor and optimize the manufacturing process. Benefits are realized through streamlined processes, improved quality control, increase productivity, and reduce costs. Let's look at how AI is used in each particular application, that is in predictive maintenance, in quality control, in production planning and scheduling, in supply chain optimization, customer service and support and safety and compliance. So predictive maintenance is a data-driven maintenance strategy that uses AI and machine learning algorithms to predict potential equipment failures before they happen. By analyzing data from sensors and other sources, AI can detect patterns that indicate an impeding failure. This allows plant managers to schedule maintenance proactively, reducing downtime and repair costs. AI can be used to improve quality control by analyzing data from sensors and detecting defects in real time. This allows manufacturers to catch defects early in the production process, reducing waste and improving product quality. AI can optimize production planning and scheduling by analyzing historical data and predicting future demand. This allows manufacturers to adjust production schedules in real time, improving efficiency and reducing inventory costs. AI can optimize supply chain operations by analyzing data from multiple sources and identifying bottlenecks in the supply chain. This allows manufacturers to make strategic decisions to reduce lead times, improve delivery times, and reduce transportation costs. AI can improve customer service and support by automatically answering routine questions and providing personalized recommendations to customers. This improves customer satisfaction and reduces the workload on customer service agents. AI can improve safety and compliance by analyzing data from sensors and other sources to detect potential hazards. This allows manufacturers to identify safety risks early on and take corrective action before accidents occur. AI can also help manufacturers comply with regulations and standards by automatically monitoring and reporting on compliance. So in conclusion, AI has a variety of applications in smart manufacturing, from predictive maintenance to quality control to supply chain optimization. By leveraging AI technology, manufacturers can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and improve product quality, ultimately driving greater success and growth for their business.